Have a pet sloth, or have a pet panda. Be able to swim underwater indefinitely, or be able to climb any mountain. Be a mythical creature like a unicorn, or be a real-life mermaid. Have a pet wolf, or have a pet fox. Be able to understand plants, or be able to communicate with trees. Live in a snowy mountain range, or live in a tropical island. Be a hummingbird, or be a hawk. Have a pet elephant, or have a pet giraffe. Have a pet dinosaur, or have a pet dragon. Be able to communicate with animals, or be able to fly like a bird. Live in a rainforest, or live in a desert. Be a dolphin, or be a tiger. Have a pet octopus, or have a pet snake. Be able to change into any animal, or be able to control the weather. Live in a treehouse, or live in a submarine. Be a bee, or be a butterfly. Be able to talk to animals, or be able to understand plants. Live in the jungle with wild animals, or live in the Arctic with polar bears. Fly like a bird, or swim like a dolphin. Have a pet lion, or have a pet elephant. See in the dark like an owl, or run as fast as a cheetah. Live in a treehouse in the forest, or live in an underwater dome. Ride on the back of an eagle, or ride on the back of a shark. Have the strength of a gorilla, or have the flexibility of an octopus. Be able to see in the dark, or be able to hear everything. Live in a lighthouse, or live in a cave. Be a whale, or be a shark. Have a pet raccoon, or have a pet hedgehog. Be able to control the elements, fire, water, earth, air, or be able to talk to plants. Live in a polar bear habitat, or live in a kangaroo habitat. Be a koala, or be a kangaroo. Have a pet monkey, or have a pet squirrel. Be able to breathe underwater, or be able to fly. Live in a haunted forest, or live in a haunted mansion. Be a lion, or be a tiger. Have a pet rabbit, or have a pet guinea pig. Be able to see the future, or be able to travel through time. Live in a castle, or live in a cabin in the woods. Have a pet parrot, or have a pet owl. Be able to control animals, or be able to control insects. Live in a spaceship, or live on Mars. Be a dinosaur, or be a dragon. Have a pet snake, or have a pet lizard. Live in a world with only animals, or live in a world with only plants. Have the ability to change the weather, or have the ability to control the tides. Be able to breathe underwater, or be able to fly without wings. Swim with sharks, or swim with dolphins. Live in a rainforest, or live in a desert. See the world through the eyes of an eagle, or see the world through the eyes of a wolf. Communicate with land animals, or communicate with sea creatures. Be a whale in the ocean, or be a bird in the sky.